In this video, I want to show you how you can make a pie on Trading 212. Now you can do this from the app or from the website, and all you have to do is head over to the pie chart here. There should be a big button called Create a Pie. If you've already made one, it will be down here instead. Click on it. Inside of here, you want to add your instruments. So click on this button, and then you simply want to select the ones you want to put into the pie. Now, of course, I'm just going to select some random one because this is not what I'm going to do. I'm just going to show you how it actually works. So you should select the ones that you want to put in there, not just the random stuff that I'm putting. But let's just do these. Then simply press next. And in here, then you can choose how much of each you want. So you can customize it just like this. Just make sure it's at 100%. Then what you want to do is just press next. You can select if you want auto invest or if you want manually. And here you can see a projection. So you can play around with this and see what the projection will be. Name it something. I'll just name this test. Press next. And then you press fun pie and you're ready to go. So that's basically how that works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.